Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'll show you how to make WhatsApp video calls. Whether you want to stay connected with your family, friends, or coworkers, WhatsApp makes video calling simple and completely free over the internet. Before we begin, I'd like to mention one important thing. I'm recording this tutorial on my PC using WhatsApp desktop. However, my computer doesn't have a connected microphone, so I can't demonstrate the video calling feature directly from the desktop application. That's why I'll show you the complete video calling process using my phone. Just follow the steps shown on the screen, and you'll be able to make WhatsApp video calls easily. Now, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open the WhatsApp application and select the contact you want to call. Once the chat is open, tap the video call icon at the top right corner of the screen. WhatsApp will immediately start placing the video call. Wait for the other person to answer. Once the call is connected, you'll be able to see and hear each other in real time using your internet connection. During the video call, you'll find several useful controls on the screen. You can tap the mute button to turn your microphone on or off whenever needed. You can also turn your camera on or off by tapping the camera icon. If you want to switch between the front and rear cameras, simply tap the switch camera button. You can also enable the speaker option if you want louder audio during the conversation. When you've finished your conversation, simply tap the end call button to disconnect the video call. If your video or audio quality isn't clear, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Also, confirm that WhatsApp has permission to use your phone's camera and microphone for the best calling experience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make WhatsApp video calls in 2026. It's a quick, simple, and convenient way to stay connected with the people who matter most. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.